Meanwhile, as Jamaica gears up to receive its first batch of COVID-19 vaccines, there continues to be mixed feelings among citizens about being vaccinated. This even as the Prime Minister insists no one will be forced to take the jab. Giovanni Dennis has a story.
Dotting every I and crossing every T. This is a warehouse on Marcus Garvey Drive that will store the first batch of vaccines expected later this week.
We have the cold storage facility, and there is a space there for an immediate 600,000 doses of vaccine, but enough that could hold 2 million if we make adjustments. We have the igloos, or the mobile cold storage facilities, with the ice packs to move from one location to the next, and the team is fully prepared and ready to receive and to deploy.
India is gifting Jamaica 50,000 doses of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine, just like it did Barbados recently. With the first batch imminent, we sought to gauge public sentiment outside Kingston. In Sam Sharp Square, Montego Bay in St. James, it was a sunny Monday with the usual traffic and commuters going about. Montegonians are optimistic.
Anytime I come, me first I go take it. That's how I feel.
If you come, I will take it. If you kill me also, then I will take it.
Others, like Griffith G, are doubtful.
It all depends, because to what I see on the internet, people are falling down, and there are side effects about that vaccine, so I don't trust it right now. So I feel that they should test it more.
We also spoke to Portlanders on Monday.
I don't think I want it.
Why?
But if where I see that it help people, then maybe I will take it.
I don't really feel 100% about it, because they don't give us full information of what the purpose of it and what can happen after, like the side effect or whatsoever. So we need a more transparent information,
We think it's necessary, but because so much people are saying it now, them not fry it can't stop it from catching virus. They don't want to take it. But me sure know so when it come here take it.
I think it was rushed, and enough research for the long-term effect wasn't done because they needed no one for that reason. And from all the side effects that I've been seeing going on out there, I am not interested.
Shellyan is not alone. On the weekend, track and field superstar Johan Blake said he would rather to miss the Olympics than to take the vaccine. But persons like Shellyan and Johan won't be forced to take the vaccine if they don't want to. That's according to the Prime Minister.
If we offer you the vaccine and you don't take it, then we will move to the next person, because we can't leave it there waiting on you. The vaccine will spoil on us, we lose the money.
Mr. Holness was speaking at a press briefing on Sunday. The government plans to undertake a vaccine sensitization campaign this year to get more buy-in for COVID vaccination. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.